In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot. Sometimes you'll hear people call this a snip or a screen grab. The first thing you need to do is open up what's called the snipping tool. In order to do this, you can go down to where it says type here to search, and you can type the words snipping tool. Usually if you just type the first few letters, it'll pop up. It looks like a little pair of scissors with a red circle. Open that up. Then click New. This will pop up with a little cross cursor. You can use this cursor to drag around anything that you want to take a screenshot of. So for example, say I wanted to take a screenshot of this tree. I would hover my mouse right here at the top left corner of where I want my screenshot to be, and then I would click on my left-hand mouse button and drag until I have the area selected that I want. This takes a screenshot. Once I have this, I can right-click on it and hit copy, and then put it into any document that I'd like, or into an email. So for example, I could right-click and paste, and then I have my screenshot. So again, to review, say for example, I don't have the snipping tool yet. I'm going to go here, I'm going to type in snipping, I'm going to open up the tool, then I'm going to pop up whatever it is that I want to take a screenshot of. I'm going to click New, drag it around the area that I want, and then I can right click to copy, and then to paste. That's how you take a screenshot.